करेक्ट। तो मैं आपको एक चीज बता दूं कि जो पेपर होता है ना क्लरिकल लेवल का, एसबीआई वेसबीआई का, किसी का भी हो, वो बहुत आसान पेपर आता है अगर आप थोड़ा भी कॉन्फिडेंटली वो पेपर अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, राइट? सो आई आई थिंक आई शुड टॉक इन इंग्लिश because this message is very very important and everyone should get this message. So if you are appearing for the SBI Clerk 2021 prelims exam a day after tomorrow or in the coming days, 2 3 days, so I am telling you that it is a clerical level banking exam prelims, right? So it the level would be very 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 easy, right? uh, I'm not talking about SBI Clerk 2020. Let me take you back to SBI Clerk 2019. When SBI Clerk 2019 prelims was happened, I was very very new to this preparation and all, right? So I started a month back and then I appeared for SBI Clerk 2019. And in that exam I have scored 80 marks. I didn't know anything about, I mean, I didn't know much about the things. Still, I managed to score 80 marks. And before that, I have never scored more than 60 in any of the banking prelims mock test. Right. So that is the level I'm talking about. The level would be very, very easy if you guys can remain confident and can tell your heart that all is well and everything will be well. It is very important to remind yourself that things will go your way provided you are confident enough to grab them, right? So if you will go underconfident, or if you try to underplay, or you would underestimate yourself, then you have already lost, my friend, right? Sorry to say, but there are very few chances that you can clear this exam. But at the same time, on the other side, if you go to the exam with a no loss kind of attitude that there is nothing to lose, I will go. I know that exam is a clerical level exam and it would be easy, as Ravi Sharma said, right? And I will not stuck at any question for more than 40 50 seconds. I will move on to the next question because I have 100 questions to do. I have still 99 questions to do. If I stuck at one, doesn't matter. So if you keep reminding these kind of things to yourself, you will get good marks, I'm telling you. Even if you are an average student who is scoring 50 60 or 40s, you can surprise yourself, I am telling you, because it's all about that 1 hour. So if you are ready to put in your 100%, and don't say कि मेरे को तो यही सब कुछ है जिंदगी है, it is not like that. You just have a job at your hand and you have to complete that job, right, after day after tomorrow, or 11th or 12th or 13th, whenever your SBI clerk is. Make sure that you go there quite confidently. If you believe in yourself, I am telling you that even with an average preparation and a great mindset, you can crack even bigger exams than SBI clerk. And अगर आपका नहीं भी होता है, अच्छा पेपर भी नहीं होता, फिर भी take the responsibility even if you do not succeed, right? I'm telling you this before because a lot of you guys, from among you, a lot of guys among you would blame either the system, either the level, either the shift. But I don't want you to blame anything, right? Take responsibility. Learn to take responsibility of everything. Say that, be brave enough, be courageous enough to say that yes, it was my mistake, but I know that what are the mistakes that I have made, and I am ready to rectify those mistakes, and I would not repeat, because banking is an industry of which gives you a lot many papers throughout the year. So it is very important for you to keep doing your consistent effort. There is a term called silent working. So for as an aspirant, you should silently move towards your goal. Even if you score zero in mock or anything, I mean, go very very confidently in that on that day. Do not say that yaar aaj kya hoga, I don't know. I am quite fearful and I'm scared of what is coming. Do not get scared. Do not indulge in the pre meetings that you do before any exam with the fellow aspirants. Don't do that. Stand alone. And I know that you all have been doing your bit, your efforts for the last few months or few years. This is the right time. This is the time to believe in yourself, and I know that you will definitely crack this, either this or at least one of the coming exams in 2021. So do not worry. Just be what you are and be proud of what you are, and you will definitely clear this exam. So we will start, and let's take a few questions.